Time is motion, the motion of technology, setting the tempo for evolution at an ever faster rate. The motion of machinery, powering the growth of industry and all human activities. The motion of the market, discovering new sectors and bringing new demands every day. Motion is the key to growth. This is the secret of Leonessa Group, which brings together the companies owned by the Pasotti-Ghirardi family, leading producers of slewing rings and agricultural axles. Today, the Leonessa Group is an organization on an international scale, with premises totaling 120,000 square meters on 3 different continents. La Leonessa, producer of slewing rings. La Leonessa North America, Fad Assali, and Agri Stefan, which produce axles and suspensions. FV Engineering, R&D Center. And the latest addition to the family, Leonessa Brevini Yangcheng. La Leonessa in Italy, La Leonessa North America in Wisconsin, and Leonessa Brevini Yangcheng in China. All operate in the slewing ring sector. La Leonessa, the company from which today's group takes its name, was founded in the mid-1960s. In a far-sighted strategy with innovative drive, the company organized to manufacture slewing rings and became one of the market's leading stars. Flexibility in response to the customer's needs is a La Leonessa key feature, thanks to technical and economic feasibility studies and assessment of all possible solutions. Together with the customer, a tailor-made, personalized, unique product is created every time. La Leonessa is an integrated cycle producer. All production phases are in-house and controlled by the company, including rolling of the ring. For this processing phase, La Leonessa has a specific rolling plant, capable of processing rolled product external diameters from 400 to 3,000 millimeters. The in-house rolling plant provides an impressive guarantee of quality, but not the only one, since La Leonessa holds ISO 9001 certification. The finished product will be used in all industries where tilting, articulation and slewing are fundamental for the operation of plant and machinery. Our products can provide motion not just to construction, lifting and handling machinery, but also to wind turbines, solar panels and industrial processing machines. After rolling, production continues with turning, drilling, hardening, gear hobbing and the grinding of the races on the rings. All processes are highly automated. The production cycle is based on state-of-the-art technology and guaranteed by sophisticated control systems to ensure the highest product performance standards. Induction hardening is one of the crucial phases in the slewing ring construction process. The hardening inductor uses electricity at specific frequency and current values. The induced current quickly heats the metal surface, which is then quenched using a cooling liquid. This rapid quenching process gives the product the hardness values required. The next step is gear hobbing. Slewing rings may have gears on the inside or outside. Normally, spur gears are used with a pressure angle of 20 degrees and a module between 2.5 and 20 millimeters. Other types of gears can be used on request. Other customized solutions include special alloys and anti-corrosion treatments, such as multi-coat finishes, electroplating, or hot-dip galvanization. However, regardless of their specifications, all slewing rings must undergo grinding to remove any micro-deformations and guarantee a perfect finish. Before moving on to the assembly phase, where the slewing rings take on their final configuration, the products undergo a number of inspections and tests on specimens or on all pieces, on their geometrical characteristics, their hardening depth and the race profile shape. La Leonessa has an in-house laboratory that performs tests on materials in production and on finished products. This means that our products are always in line with our high internal quality standards, inspired by our philosophy of continual improvement, capable of complying precisely with design specifications and the application's needs. The assembly phase is where products acquire their final configuration. This is the story behind La Leonessa slewing rings. La Leonessa, a location of 60,000 square meters with production facilities of more than 30,000. Up to 40,000 slewing rings produced every year, from 300 to 3,200 millimeters in diameter. Different sectors, constantly evolving technologies. All served by a group which is emblematic of a fusion of tradition and innovation. A dynamic opening based on solidity. Is this paradoxical? No. This is the force that drives the change of a major industrial group, which successfully combines international scope with a family ethos. A group that believes in novelty and youth as a propelling force that renews tradition, in innovation as a guide to change, and, above all, in motion, the key to growth to ever new frontiers. Leonessa Group. Different companies sharing a common identity, well expressed in the dynamic, curved lines of the logo. A narration of prestige and opening, reliability and history, dynamism and far-sightedness of those who can see and invent tomorrow's solutions.